Now there's another option in here that I've included that I'm not sure if I really should keep it in here or not, is content. This is just a scraper. So all you want to do is you put any data, any code or anything that contains AliExpress links into here, and it'll extract the links out for you. It's kind of like the same engine that works behind the scenes for the browser option. So let me just demonstrate it to you. I'll just use Google for now. So if you go to Google and type in site AliExpress.com/item, every single AliExpress product has /item in it. So that's why I put that there. Let's go farther. Do that. And you'll see I actually have my account set up to show 200 links at a time. So what I can do here now is I can right click, view page source, and then I can just select all on my keyboard, Control A, right click, copy, come over here, and I can just paste it in here, click on the paste button and click extract links. And boom, it found 100 products. So now I can go ahead and extract there. And this code can be anywhere. I mean, maybe you're just comfortable with using Chrome on AliExpress. So if you're just using Chrome and you're on a web page somewhere looking at top rankings, top trending, something like this. A lot of the times when you right click and try to view the source, select it all, and try to put it in here, you might not find the links because the links may not be present in the code. It's kind of present through something called Ajax, or like a different way of getting the data inside the web page. But there's another way of doing it. It's really easy. Anywhere in here where one of the products is, just right click and go inspect. And then you will see in this little window here, as you move your mouse, you notice it starts to highlight stuff up here. Well, just keep moving your mouse up and up and up until it kind of highlights everything, like the whole section where all the products are. Once you got that, just right click, select copy, outer HTML. Now let's paste that. And it found 128 links there. Or actually, let's see how it found 30 links. So that's how you get the data, by using Chrome web browser. So it all depends on how you want to do it, what you prefer using in the software. But I would foresee everyone using the built-in browser because it's just awesome. It just works so much easier than getting the source code of a web page and using the content thing here. But this tool is still there. It's still very helpful. Maybe you have a different way of getting AliExpress links through a different tool that exports them to a file. Well, you can just put the data in here and it should extract the links from that data into the software.